Good day everyone, we are here today to teach you on how to configure a star topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. So before we physically configure a star topology in computer network, it is important to create a logical layout using Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this section, we will provide you a step-by-step tutorial to configure a star topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. So here it is.
Step 1. Open Cisco Packet Tracer and open Networking Devices menu. In the first step, you simply need to open Cisco Packet Tracer, which is what you can see here on our screen. To configure star topology, you will need a central device. For this purpose, network administrators prefer using a network switch. You can select network switch from your toolbox present at the bottom of the Cisco Packet Tracer. From toolbox, select the option containing switches. This will display different switches for you. Step 2. Select desired switch model. From this list of switches, you can use anyone, but I personally recommend using model 2950-24 switch for beginners. Go ahead and drag the 2950-24 switch and drop it on the drawing area for initializing network design. Step 3. Choose end devices for your star network. End devices are another important aspect of the computer network. By end device, we simply mean any sort of device which is being used for user including computer, smartphone, or printer. Type of end devices that we will be using totally depends upon your needs. You can select devices on your choice from toolbox menu titled as end devices. Step 4. Draw end devices for your star network on the drawing area. As I have mentioned before earlier that there will be a variety of end devices present in the menu. These are those devices. You can choose any of this. However, for the sake of simplicity, we will select for desktop computers. In this step, you will need to drag and drop them in the drawing area. This will be done in one by one fashion.
Step number 5, choose connecting cables for device connection. Let us go to the connection menu, then select the copper straight through for connecting all the end devices with a switch. This cable will serve as a medium for transferring data from one device to another. Step number 6, initiating cable for connection. Click the specific device, then select the fast Ethernet, then connect it to the switch. Step number 7, completing cable connections. So let us continue to connect this device into the switch. Then take note that we should use the fast Ethernet option for connecting computing devices to switch network device.
Step number 8, open device settings and device settings interface. So here for properly configuring computer network and star topology, we will have to repeat the upcoming steps for each computer in our network. So as we have only 4 computers, we will need to repeat the upcoming steps 4 times only. So in this step, we will need to open the computer device settings. So when we click any of these computers, its device configuration settings will open. So as you can see, a lot of options are here. So let's proceed to the step number 9. Open desktop menu and select IP configuration settings. So from different tabs in the computer device settings, click on tab titled as desktop. You will be seeing following options on the desktop. From this option, select IP configuration. Okay, so let's proceed to the step number 12. Configure IP address and subnet mask. So this is the last and most critical step in configuring our star topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. So make sure static option is checked. Okay, so let's select the static option, then type the IP address and subnet mask. So here we can use any IP address, but please make sure all the IP addresses belong to the same class. So I have used following IP address configuration for N devices. So let's use this one. 192.178.1.1. Then the subnet mask will automatically put it there. Let's repeat the steps. Okay, I guess we are done adding our IP address and subnet mask. So let's move on to how to test our star topology and Cisco Packet Tracer. So first, let's select the PDU to initiate testing. Then choose message sender. Let's choose this one. And then drop the message PDU on receiver. So let's choose this. And then that's it. Wait for the result, and if it is successful, then our star topology is working. So that would be all. Thank you.